Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, and the name of our new lesson is ratio and proportion. What is the name of our new lesson? Ratio, proportion. So students, let's learn about the ratios first, and then afterwards we are going to learn about the proportions. So a ratio is a comparison between the quantities of two things. Means whenever you want to compare two things, so we must compare them in a ratio. So here example is given. There are three triangles. How many triangles? Three triangles. And how many squares? Two squares here in this example. Three triangles are given and two squares are given. And we can write the ratios as ratio of triangle to the square. Ratio of triangles to the squares is 3:2. 3:2. The ratio of squares to the triangle is 2:3. Okay, so this is all about the ratios. Now in mathematics, another definition of ratio is, in mathematics, a ratio indicates how many times one number contains another numbers. For example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons in a bowl of fruit, then the ratio of oranges to the lemons is 8:6. 8:6. Okay, and the ratio of lemons to the oranges is 6:8. Okay, so in this way we can find out the ratios of the different things or two things, or we can compare between the two things. Okay, the next example here. Now here you will have to find out the different colors. Okay, and the ratios of different colors. The red and the blue in the first one, this one. Okay, the ratio of the red to the blue, the ratio of the red to the blue is 3:1. 3 reds and 1 blue. Here in this figure, the ratio of green to blue means 1:4 or 1:4. And the ratio of, in the third figure, the ratio of green to red, 2:3. 2:3 or 2:3. The next one, in this last box, there are three colors: red, blue and green. So the ratio of red to blue to green, the ratio of red to blue to green is 1:2:1. Or we can say 1:2:2:1. Okay, so students, I hope you will understand today's topic. Now the next, here, how will you read the ratio? Means how you can read the ratio. So you can read the ratio 6:8. 6. So you can say circle, or you can say red color and blue color, and circle and rectangle. So 6:8. 6:8. 6:8. How we can write? 6:8 or 6:8. 6:8. The ratio of the red to the blue, and the ratio of blue to red, 8:6 or 8:6. Or we can say the ratio of rectangle to circle, 8:6. 8:6. 8:6. And the ratio of circle to the rectangle is 6:8 or 6:8. 6:8. Okay, now the next, what is the ratio in this figure? 4:3. 4:3. How we can read? 4:3 or 4:3. 4:3. Next one is proportion. The next term, proportion. Proportion says that two ratios are equal. For example, here 1/3 is equal to 2 upon 6. Okay, so when we divide this second fraction by 2, we will get 1 upon 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. Both these ratios, that is 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 6, are in proportion, means they are equal in values, equivalent fractions. They are equivalent fractions. Okay, they are equal. So proportion says that two ratios or fractions are equal. Take another example. 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 8, means 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 8. Both these fractions or both these ratios are equal. That's why these are in proportions. These fractions or these ratios are in proportion. How? Now read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 1 upon 2, the value is 1 upon 2. So these are equivalent fractions. So these equivalent fractions or these ratios are in proportion. Okay. Now here students, examples of proportion in daily life. Here one lady is making the idlis and dosas. So now we can see the example. The name of that lady is Janki Amma. Okay, Janki Amma's idlis and dosas are delicious. For idlis, she uses urad dal, okay, and rice in the proportion 1 cup dal to 2 cups of rice, 1:2. But for dosas, the proportion is 1 cup dal, this is 1, and 3 cups of rice, 1:3. That is, for idlis, the proportion of dal and the rice is 1:2, and the proportion for the dosas is 1:3, or the ratio is 1 upon 3. Okay. So if you want to make some more idlis, then you can take 3 upon 9. The ratio is 1 upon 3 and the proportion is 3 upon 9. You can also take 3 upon 9. You can also take 2 upon 6. All the equivalent fraction. Okay. So I hope you will got today's point clearly and easily. Okay. So in the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.